Yo, what's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to cancel a Zelle payment. Let's get straight into it. The first step is to open the Zelle app on your mobile device and log into your account, and then you want to navigate to the activity tab. So just tap the activity tab to view your recent transactions. Next, you want to locate the payment that you want to cancel and just tap on that once you find it. And then if the payment is still pending, you may see a cancel option. Just tap the cancel to cancel the payment, and then confirm that you want to cancel the payment. And note that canceling a payment will prevent the recipient from receiving the funds, of course. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to cancel a Zelle payment. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.